Ants swarming your pet's food bowl is one of the most annoying things ever, but there are some solid ways to keep those little pests away for good. So, first off, always keep your pet's food in airtight containers, like those plastic bins with tight lids or metal cans. Ants can sniff out even tiny crumbs, so sealing it up is key. Next, wipe down the feeding area every day, no exceptions. Ant trails start from leftover bits and spills. You can even put the food bowl on a shallow dish filled with water to create a little moat that ants won't cross. Another trick is to sprinkle some cinnamon or coffee grounds around the feeding spot because ants hate that smell. If you notice ants creeping in, try wiping the floor with vinegar mixed with water to erase their scent trails. Avoid leaving pet food out for too long. Just put down what your pet will eat in one sitting. Finally, check for cracks or gaps near your home's doors and windows so ants don't sneak in from outside. One of the biggest issues people run into when dealing with ants attracted to pet food is not storing the food properly, like leaving bags open or using flimsy containers, which just invites ants right in. Fix it by switching to sealed containers that block their scent. Another common mistake is ignoring the cleanliness of the feeding area. Crumbs and spills left behind are basically an open invite. The solution is to clean up immediately after feeding time every single day. Lastly, lots of folks don't bother to find and seal entry points for ants around their homes, letting them march right in whenever they want. Just caulk those cracks and use door sweeps to keep ants outside where they belong. BigHomeProjects.com is legit for folks looking to find trusted local contractors who know how to handle pest control or home maintenance. It also hooks up contractors with homeowners who actually need their services, making it easier for everyone to get things done right without the headache.